Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money freelancing in 2025 step by step. Even if you are just starting out, this is the way to go. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so you know exactly what to do and what not to do. And let's jump right into the video. First, you have to choose your skill and get very good at that skill. Writing, graphics design, programming, video editing, or anything you are good at. Now, simply create accounts on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, freelancing, or any freelancing platforms that you know. That can be Upwork as well. Upwork is also a magnificent freelancing platform. Now simply build a professional or a strong profile. Use a professional photo, write a clear bio that shows your skills and experience, and add a portfolio samples for your work. Start by bidding on small projects or creating beginner friendly gigs to build credibility. Communicate clearly with your clients, ask questions, confirm requirements, and set deadlines on your project yourself. Deliver high quality work on time to get positive reviews from all the clients that you work from. Gradually increase your rates as you gain more experience and gain more reviews on those platforms. Explore recurring works or subscription like ongoing content creation to create steady income, and you don't have to worry about your next gig or your next freelancing work. Keep learning, that is, new tools and skills can help you stay competitive in the market and help you earn more amount of money in a short period of time. And that's how you can make money freelancing in 2025, guys. Start small, stay consistent, and your income will grow over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which topics should I cover next. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.